Hi guys, this is Charlie, and in today's tutorial I'm going to go through with you how to connect a domain and connect your security certificate. Now this is really important, guys. I can't stress this enough, so I want you to do this today or as soon as possible. Okay, now I'm going to show you why. Okay, so if you go to your back office, well, if you go to one of your funnels, let's have a look here. Can you see not secure, right? And if you go to one that is secure, you've got the HTTPS sign here and a little padlock. So on the unsecure site, guys, what will happen is, so if you've connected your milliondollarchallenge.co, that is not going to be secure. Now, what will happen then is that some browsers won't even open the web page because it's suspicious and it's not encrypted. So what I suggest you do is you need to connect a domain and get it all secured up so you get the HTTPS. I know Google is now phasing out unsecure sites as well. So just to prevent any kind of bounces, and obviously if you're driving traffic to your website, you don't want people coming up with a whoa, do not go there, this is suspicious, you know, and obviously not opening the site for you. Okay, so it's really easy to do. Don't you know, don't be frightened of what I'm just going to go through this really quickly, and it is really easy to do. So what you want to do, guys, is go to a domain host. Now, I use Crazy Domains, and I'll provide you with a link to that, either underneath the video or in the email. So another little tip for you guys is that if you are ever recommending a company, then have a look for if they've got an affiliate scheme or if they do recommend a friend scheme. So it's just another income. It's just another income for you. If anybody clicks on that link, then you'll get paid. So yeah, it's just a little tip for you there, guys. So Crazy Domains do an affiliate scheme as well. So if you click the link, then I'll just get a little bit of commission for that. So yeah, just another little tip for you there. Right, the reason I use Crazy Domains as well is that they're really cheap and their support is amazing. I've used the support quite a lot, and they're just brilliant, and they've got a little live chat here, and they just do it all for you. You know, if you get stuck, you just say, oh, can you do this, and they'll just do it for you with no charge. It's great. Okay, so what you need to do is obviously go through and create a domain name. Now this is where it gets a bit exciting, because you can start thinking of a business name, thinking of your brand, or you could just use your real name. So you might get more luck with a domain using that, using your name, but yeah, for sure, just create whatever you want. Okay, it doesn't cost much at all. It costs less than £10, I'd say, for the year. So yeah, sometimes you do introductory offers as well if you're new, so just keep an eye out for that. Right then, guys, so once you've got your domain, now I've actually got two domains here. So it's cashbaby.uk and cashbaby.co.uk. Now we'll go into the reason why I've got two domains in a moment. But if you get your domain, which is cashbaby.uk, now what you want to do is go back into your back office, go down to Builderall Business, Money Making Funnels, okay, so when you're in your money making funnels, then you go here and connect a domain. So can you see my domain's connected here, and that's my affiliate link. Now it'll go through to the Builderall homepage, and they will create other subdomains for you as well. Now, these are all secure, so instead of just copying these, I would actually go through, and can you see the HTTPS is there at the top? So obviously just go and, my internet's really slow today, typical. Okay, so once you've connected your domain, it just looks a bit more professional. Okay, so when you connect a domain, it'll ask you to change the name servers. So you then go back to Crazy Domains or your domain host. Don't worry, this is really easy. It just gives you everything. You just copy and paste. So whatever domain host you're using, you will have the option to change the name servers. Okay, so I'll tell you what, this is really slow today. I might do another video actually, because my electric went off this morning. So, right, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, so here, so obviously you go down, here is your name servers and you can modify them. So you just go and put NS3 and NS4. Okay, you just copy what Builderall says and change the name servers. Now these are now pointing to Builderall. Okay. So once you've done that, it might take, an hour or so, but once they are all connected, it's all propagated on the internet, you will have your domain connected here. So once you've got your domain connected, what you can then do is go through to your funnels, which is through Builders, drag and drop pixel, My Sites. So once you've got your domain connected, you can now start creating subdomains. Okay, which you can do free through Builderall. Okay, so can you see I've got charlieberesford.cashbaby.uk. Now all you need to do is go to your $1 Million Challenge. Okay, disconnect that domain, and then you will be able to connect a domain. Okay, so I'm just going to go through to, let me just go through to one that's not, I'm not using at the moment. So disconnect domain. Okay, and then you would, oh, right. Okay, it's done it now. Right, okay. So then you would go through to connect domain. Now, with your sales funnels, you can choose whatever you want as a prefix to cashbaby.uk, for example. So marketinghacks.cashbaby.uk. But obviously, this is your $1 Million Challenge funnel. So choose whatever you want. So you could go put 30-day challenge.domain. Okay. So then you could go to all regions as well and click save. So it's really, really easy to do, guys. So your main domain is connected to the money making funnels, and then your subdomains you can connect to your sales funnels. Okay, I'm hoping this is making sense, guys. So yeah, it's really, really important. So once that has propagated on the internet, okay, I'm just going to go through this really quickly because obviously I've just disconnected and connected it again, so it might be might have been doing a funny on it. So once you've got your subdomain connected, you would then go to more options and connect SSL. Okay. Can you see these little padlocks here? This means that your funnel, then your domain, your subdomain is now secure and you will get a HTTPS. Okay, can you see there, not secure? And once it's connected, where are we here? There you go. You have now got a HTTPS. So once your domain is connected on the internet, so just go back and keep checking that it's connected. Then you go to more options, activate SSL. Okay, and then I think this is having a funny on it now because I've just disconnected. I've just done it. You shouldn't do that really. Anyway, guys, right? So we'll just gloss over that for now. The reason why I've got 2 domains is that you can redirect. What I've got is a redirect on my other domain. So I've got one pointing to Builderall, and then I've got my other one, which I'll tell you what, babe, guys, my internet is not usually this slow. It is really, really just typical today. Right, so cashbaby.co.uk. What I've got here is a redirect. So you can redirect this to whatever sales funnel you want. So whatever you're promoting at the time, you can forward. So if somebody clicks cashbaby.co.uk, it'll forward it onto this website. So you can just choose whatever sales funnel, you know, I've changed it quite a few times. So whatever you're promoting at the time, you can choose what sales funnel you want it redirecting to. So that's the only reason why I've got 2. Okay, so one last thing, guys, as well, is I'm going to, as we're on about domains, I need to tell you about your emails. So to send emails, you need to connect a domain. So again, really, really important. So when you go into your Mailing Boss account, you would go to Menu, Domains, and it will create new. Now what you need to do here, then it'll give you some instructions for your text records, and you need to go back to your domain host and you need to add these records. Now it's fairly straightforward, but I just got in touch with the support guys because I wasn't quite sure if I was doing it right, and they just did it all for me. Okay, so you need to connect and verify a domain before you start sending any emails out. So I just wanted to highlight that for you guys while we're on about emails, while we're on about domains. Okay, to set up your email, we'll go through that in another tutorial, but I just wanted to highlight it for you. Okay. So I think that is it, guys. I can't stress enough for you. I can't stress enough to you how important this is to get your domain and to get your SSL certificates set up. Okay, let's just have a look if this is still working. No, it's I broke it. Right. Yeah, it's got to. My internet's slow. I've got to be done with it. It's got to be due to my electric going this morning. Okay, right. So if I just show you really quickly, you've got these records here. You've got all these numbers: CNAME record, member, Mailing Boss, and then your text record. So it does give you the instructions, but like I say, if you ever get stuck, just start a chat and they'll do it for you. So. All right then, guys, I hope that helps. Like I say, I can't stress to you enough how important it is to get your domain and get it connected, and to activate your SSL certificates for each sales funnel. So, all right then, guys, hope that helps, and I'll see you in another tutorial.